political, religious, and social unrest in the modern world. And this song is about, in response to all of that unrest and all of the bullshit blue versus red fucking mentality that this country has fallen into recently, taking a neutral, independent stance on everything is probably the most fucking important thing that we can fucking do as far as fighting against this whole this person versus this person assholism, which comes from both sides equally. And this song is an answer to that. And it's called Absolute Zero. It's also about Danny Aceto being an asshole. Here we go. Thank you. How are you enjoying it so far, the Fez? I have to say, this is the first time that I played here. The first time that I, and probably Carlos has played here as well. Jim and Jess has had the pleasure of playing here before with a different band, but this is our first experience, and I just want to say it's lovely to have a place downtown that supports local and original music, which is such a diamond in the rough in this area as far as music is concerned. And I'm just honored to have the pleasure to be playing here. I do have one thing to say though. I do wish that my booming voice somehow would be able to stretch the framing of these walls at least 2 meters either way, because I feel like it's a little cramped. but we do the best with what we have, right? So we're going to continue to try and bust this place open 2 meters in either direction by continuing to play loud music. And this next song is definitely loud, and it's maybe music. And it's about a bar fight, which we don't condone, especially in a bar as quaintly small as this one. And it's called TKO.